we're apart, that's true. But alimutan ko yung lyrics.
Alam mo dyan ako. New addiction, it's so in my head, but I want non-fiction. I don't want the world, but I'll take this thing. Who can blame a girl, call me hot dog. Baby, do you like it to be? Baby, so you tell me. It's like a lonely 99 Jimmy. Too many ways, so many ways. H-O-G-T-O-G-O, snap and drop and touch your toes. Raise your hand, your body roll. Dancing like you're hot to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, snap and drop and touch your toes. Raise your hands, now body roll. So everybody say, H-O-T-T-O-G-O, you can take it.
Bakit ikaw?
Hindi ba Christmas song? Akala ko Christmas song gusto mo.
Hindi, kasi tinanong mo ko kung ano yung mga nadidinig.
Sa bagay, pwede mong gawing Christmas song yung uhaw.
Paano?
Uhaw, what all of Christmas.
Pwede.
Just one wish I need.
Galing, ang ganda.
Try mo.
Ang galing mo doon.
Oo,
Uhaw!
dapat soft. Si Mariah soft lang. Kailangan that may garal ganun. Ganun. Mas hangin pa dapat. Ang bawal ang binig mo, may lawas ng Jess. Wow, ganda yung classic na yun.
Mahirap.
Para mahanganak ka
Oo,
na.
parang hindi, tsaka lumulabo lang yung dip-dip ko. Parang...
Pero ano yung mga ano,